To make you some super snacks for the Super Bowl. Go Bears.
Go Bears!
I'm making Caprese Sliders, buffalo cauliflower bites, and some pepper poppers for all my friends. Let's go! Now that we've finished the Caprese Sliders, I'm ready to make my favorite, the pepper poppers. The sliders are finished. The troops are getting hungry. I can hear that the game is about to start.
Yeah, get it.
My last super snack for the Super Bowl is my take on buffalo wings. Buffalo bites are out of the oven, just have to add a little bit of this blue cheese dressing. Poppers are ready, sliders are ready. Hey, is anybody hungry?
I'll eat something. I'm cool. I'm good. What do you got there?
Well, I don't know.
I can tell, the crowd's getting restless. Thanks for watching What's Fancy Eating. Make sure to like and subscribe. I gotta go take care of my guests. Bye.
Woo!
Bye.